When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
My version of the quarantine challenge, where you do at home or outside things in the house. So this is my Bikelife version. So stay tuned, because this video is actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. And yeah. Ooh, sorry, Mom. Wasn't me. Landed that. I think so, right? No. Watch out, watch out. Oh, I could have had that. Feel that? I got it. think we must go down these stairs. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, stay tuned for some more videos like it. I don't think I'll be doing the in-the-house videos, but I'll be outside, you know? And we'll be doing videos in the C2. And yeah, so let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. And we're out.